parents. Please give them a huge round of applause.
We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So join in the celebration, it's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared and brought out just for you. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So join in the celebration, it's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared and brought out just for you. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may.
Our little ones have truly warmed our hearts.
Adding colors and joy to the stage, our little LKG stars are set to get the party started with their energetic dance. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
J-Lo, ya tú sabes, no más nada.
It's a new generation
Mr. Worldwide,
of party people.
get on the floor, darling. Get on. Red one.
Let me introduce you to my party people in the club.
I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the train. Baby, the truth. I'm like Inception, I play with your brains, I don't sleep or snooze. I don't play no games, so don't get confused, no. Cause you will lose, yeah. Now pump it up and back it up like a Tonka truck.
If you got hurt, you gotta get on the floor. If you're a party freak, then step on the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor. Break the sweat on the floor, yeah, we work on the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, put your drinks up. Pick your body up and drop it on the floor. Let the rhythm change the world on the
again?
Why, Farheen?
Your eyes and mind need a break.
But phones are important too. We cannot avoid them completely.
True, but balance is the key. Technology helps us, but real life needs our attention too. And to remind us of this message, our UKG Charms will now present a thoughtful dance on responsible phone usage. Let's welcome them on the stage by giving them a huge round of appreciation.
एक जमाना था जब 3 बंदर सिखाते थे, बुरा मत बोलो, बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत सुनो। अब और एक बंदर है, मोबाइल वाला बंदर, जो कहता है किसी को ना देखो, किसी को ना सुनो, किसी से कुछ ना बोलो। और ये बंदर आप सबके घर पर राज कर रहा है और हमारी ही नजर के सामने हमारी पूरी जिंदगी बदल रहा है। सही कहा ना?
नजर के सामने जिगर के पास, नजर के सामने जिगर के पास कोई रहता है, वो हो तुम।
आज कोई इसके बिना न जी सकता है, न खा सकता है, न पी सकता है। और इतना ही नहीं, इसके बिना तो किसी का वजूद ही नहीं रहा। मोबाइल तो जैसे सबकी जिंदगी बन गया है, कुछ इस तरह।
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो। चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो।
बाप रे, इसने तो हद ही कर दी है। सबकी नींद चैन सब चुरा लिया है। भाई साहब, अब जरा चैन से सोने तो दो।
तुझको देखा, तेरी और दिल फेंका, परी तू है बन की, कहना है नजरों का। मैंने तुझको देखा, तेरी और दिल फेंका, परी तू है बन की, कहना है नजरों का। चांद को कॉम्प्लेक्स दिया है तेरे चेहरे ने, तेरी ब्यूटी का नशा है दिल को लगा छूने।
बड़े हो या छोटे, सबको एक ही चीज पसंद है, वो है यह उल्लू बनाने वाला मशीन। तो भी इसके अलावा और कोई चीज पसंद ही नहीं आती। क्या मस्त चीज है ना?
तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त, तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त, तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त, तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त.
Endearing performance.
And now, it is time to celebrate excellence to honor the hard work, dedication, and talent of our young achievers. First, let us begin with pre-nursery.
I kindly request our chief guest, Mr. Satish Gopalan sir, and our guest of honor, Mr. Lakshmapati sir, to do the honors.
Let us start with pre-nursery. The Academic Star Award goes to Shahbaz Omer.
Parents, give them a huge round of applause.
Next, the Shining Star Performance Award goes to Syed Roman Ali. The Pinnacle Performer Award goes to Taimur Sheikh. Now,
Little ones are doing great. Give them a huge round of applause, parents.
let us proceed with LKG. The Academic Star Award goes to Sai Pranavi. The Shining Star Award goes to Aizul Fatima. And the Pinnacle Performer goes to Kinaz Mariam. Give them a huge round of applause.
Parents, cheer them.
And now, let us proceed with UKG. Academic Star goes to Aiza Fatima Khan.
Outstanding.
Shining Star goes to Laya Kaunen. And the Pinnacle Performer, Safa Sherish.
Parents, isn't it a great achievement? Please give them a huge round of applause. They deserve this. Congratulations, children.
Now, it's time to reflect on our journey through the past academic year, a journey of growth, achievement, and progress.
We invite Mohammad Madani to present the annual report, highlighting the milestones and accomplishments of our school.
Good evening, one and all present here. I hope everyone's enjoying their time here. So this is the time to report the annual report of Purna Smriti Public School academic year 2024 and 25. Before I present the annual report, let's talk about our institution, about Purna Smriti. Purna Smriti was founded in the year 2000. The institution was founded by Mrs. Shri Sharda Kumar Devi with an aim to provide quality education and build students with quite ethic morals for the betterment of the future. So she will always be an inspiration and role model for us even onwards. Next slide. Next, moving on to our vision here. For us, the first choice is always knowledge and excellency. Purna Smriti Public School has always enriched lives and fostered a culture of academic wellness for all of our students. Next, moving on to our next slide, where we talk about our mission here. Our mission at Purna Smriti Public School provides a comprehensive student-centered learning program where there is conceptual building and thought process so that students, when they grow up, and then they can be the betterment of the future by providing creative ideas which will do nothing but the betterment of us and the whole environment and society. Next, now let's move on to finally the annual report of academic year 2024 and 25. Celebrating a year of excellence, growth, and holistic development in education. Now, let's start about all the curriculums and programs started. First of all, holistic development through activities. Please share the next slide. A bit next. Yes, before everything, let's talk about our academic excellence this year. We've reached incredibly proud to announce that this year our grade 10 students from the previous batch have achieved 100% results in the CBSE board examinations. With over 10 plus students securing distinction, this remarkable performance reflects the dedication of our students, of all the teachers, and all the support of the unwavering parents. This would have not been possible without the parents' support and teachers' cooperation. Next slide. Next, moving on to our holistic development through activities. We aim to develop our children, we aim to develop our future by providing with activities where students can throw out their creative ideas, which helps them to encourage and interchange their thoughts and process with other students, so that it's a sharing of knowledge, and knowledge keeps on growing when it's being shared. So we've designed drawing and poetry competitions that bring out artistic talents, physical fitness programs like regular karate classes and dance classes, social values through student council elections, which are important to bring out the democratic values from early on. Let's move on to the next slide. Wellness and cultural celebration. Here, these diverse, mindful, positive events were cherished, which bring out a quite spiritual, environmental, and positive message. So these three events were organized and cherished by all the students in the school. First, International Yoga Day and Diwali celebration. Let's move on to the next slide. Here, in International Yoga Day, students embraced meditation and yoga postures, promoting physical fitness, a spiritual mind, mental peace, and mindful living. Let's move on to the next slide. Environment Day. Students planted saplings and pledged to protect nature. As we all know here, on the ongoing crisis in today's world, especially in a place like where we live, trees are being cut down for everything. Where we need nature the most, nature is calling help. So here, to spread this message, emphasizing sustainability and ecological responsibility, Environment Day was celebrated. Let's move on to the next. Diwali celebrations, the festival of lights, was celebrated in the school, which was providing an eco-friendly decorations and messages on pollution-free festivities. Next slide. Now, let's move on to building democratic values. As I said, student council elections may not seem so important, but they are really very important from an early age. When we have a strong and well-minded people, strong, well-minded citizens, we elect a strong and well-minded leader. So here, school elections, democracy in action was held, where our students participated in democratic elections process to choose their school leaders, where it was a one-on-one voting process, instilling values of fairness, responsibility, and civic engagement through nominations, campaigns, so that the upcoming leaders of our country know how to keep on giving their dedication, their hard work towards the people, and a fair voting process. This will really help in the future when we will be having a strong, well-minded citizen, strong, well-minded people will be electing good leaders which will do nothing but the betterment of our future, of our country, as I said. Moving to the next slide. Here, patriotism and national pride. Independence Day, as we all know, is one of the greatest, or if not the greatest, patriotic day of our country. And it was celebrated with the tricolor flag being hosted with pride and dignity, followed by a vibrant cultural program that filled everyone's spirit with patriotism. Students performed traditional dances, patriotic songs and participated in speeches that honored our nation's freedom fighters and developed India's rich heritage. Let's move on to the next slide. So these are all the decorations that the students participated on. Truly wonderful. Let's keep on going. Next, coming to discipline. There are many ways of instilling discipline in our students. It could be academics, where a student is focused on academic excellence while being disciplined to keep going forward and keep growing. Here, discipline can also be acquired, which most of the parents and society do not look onto. That is martial arts. And first of all, through karate. So karate training programs, regular karate sessions were conducted throughout the year to promote disciplines, to promote self-defense skills and fitness among students, which is very important in this day where obesity and being left out and no judging our body is very common. Next, and to award the students who gave their hard work, who participated in these karate sessions, there was built examination success where students displayed exceptional martial arts skills and discipline during the karate belt examination, and they were congratulated and celebrated, earning new belts and certificates of achievement that recognized their dedication and progress. Moving on. Here, let's talk about the creative talents unleashed. Creative talents, as I spoke, which were interchanged with the help of activities. First, we have drawing competitions. Students showcase their artistic talents through theme-based drawing competitions, which help develop their creativity. Second, poetry events. As we all know, poetry is a great source of exchanging thoughts, emotions, spiritual messages, and what so. So that's why poetry events were conducted where students express their thoughts and their emotions through carefully crafted verses, demonstrating literary skills and the power of words. Next, we had dance classes. Regular dance sessions provided to students with opportunities to express themselves through movement, rhythm, and cultural dance forms. Let's move on. So these were one of the theme-based activities held for the students. Let's move on. Next, coming on to a very important aspect of the academic year, which is one of, or if not the first program to be held at the start of every academic year, that is the Parents Orientation Program. Partnership with parents is very important. If there is no partnership with the parents, the teachers, the students do not have a good foundation to go better. So that's why an interactive and engaging orientation session was conducted to strengthen the vital partnership between parent and the school. The program focused on collaborative strategies for the overall development of students, addressing academic progress and the programs which would be going on in the following year, emotional well-being and the importance of home school education. Together, we continue to shape bright futures with the support of the parents and the teachers. Let's move on. So this was a sum of all the activities and all the important programs which were held in the school of the in the present academic year, and we hope that this year will go on to be a great success, and this year actually was truly exceptional, fostering an environment where learning thrives and futures are shaped. So I thank you to all the parents, to all the teachers, the students for this unwavering support and cooperation who made it possible, and I wish that the coming year will also be as successful and as bright in your lives. Thank you.
Their skills in a karate session. Don't miss a moment, audience. Please give them a huge round of applause.
Activity. Any activity is to make the mindset, to make the event successful or to make that particular activity successful, you have to make our mindset correct. So that's what they're doing, they're making a mindset. Meditation, standing meditation. Maksunavat, show me, ready? Keep a touch. Yeah. Together. Keep a touch. Horse riding stance. Ready. Now let's go with the Chudansiki. Middle punch. Focus. Itch. Knee. Power. Itch. Knee. Set. Shake. Go. Jodansiki. Upper punch. Focus. Itch. Knee. Power. Itch. Knee. Set. Gedansuki, lower punch. Focus. Ich. Knee. Power. Ich. Knee. Set. Now, Jodanuke, upper block. Focus. Ich. Ich. Knee. Use your power. Ich. Knee. Set. Gedanuke, lower block. Focus. Ich. Knee. Power. Ich. Knee. Set. May shoot out. Front knife and attack. Focus. Ich. Knee. Power. Ich. Knee. Set. Side knife and attack. Yoko shoot out. Focus. Ich. Knee. Power. Ich. Knee. Set. She. Yai. Ray. Side sit-ups. Now all this while what I was doing, they were doing the simple blocks, punches and attacks. That is what is important, right? So the basic foundation is important for every activity. Now let's go with the side sit-ups. Ich, knee, sun, she, go. Very good, get up. Now we are flexible. Ready, let's go with the middle split. Are you ready? I can't hear you. Ready? Split. That's right. And we have a big round of applause. Okay. Now I want you to go for the side bend. Left bend. Left bend. Beautiful. Right bend. Now lift your both hands up. Forward bend. Yes. Big round of applause for our students. Nice. Alright. Get up. Yoi. Ready. Judati, fighting stance. Ready, Megiri. Let's go with the kicks now. Ich. Knee. Set. Roundhouse kick. Mawashigiri. Ich. Knee. Set. Ready for the kick balancing. Only 5 seconds, okay? Let us see who will stand for the longest. Ready. Kick balancing. Ich. Knee. Hold. Let's hold. Balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. Yoi. Ready? Alright, let's start with the katas. Let's not waste much time. Let's go to the katas. Kata team stay. Others move. Kaza. Yoi. Ready? Kata name. Makso. Makso Nawal. Shom. Ready? Sequence. Let's go with the sequence. Ready? Sequence. Ichi. Knee. Set. She. Come back. Go. Look. Switch. Punch. Coup. Two. Yeah. This is called as kata, imaginary fighting, where you will be seeing, you have to observe how the multiple attacks are coming and how do you defend or attack the multiple attackers. Okay, let's go with the high school team. You can come back. High school kata. Yoi. Ready. Kata name. So. Makso Nawal. Show me. Ready. Ich. Knee. Set. She. Go. Rook. Careful. Switch. Punch. Two. Two. She. Go. Rook. Switch. Yoi. Re. Alright, now middle split time. Come faster. White bricks. Ready, let's go with the breakings now. Immediately. Middle split, first team. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people. Okay, they are very confident that, yes, Soj, without practice we can do. That is the strength and that is the confidence in our students we have got. Let us see what they can do. Ready? Ready? Split! All of you, ready? Asway! Yay, shabash! There, last one. One more. Hey, beautiful, get up. Boys, get up. Come, boys, faster. Good job. Move. Now, boys have to come. Ready, boys? There is one more boy. There at the last. Bricks. Ready, sit. Ready, come friend. Ready. That's right. Yes, now let's go with the higher rise. Okay, now get up. Ready, chop, punch, elbow. Okay, first chop. Ready, husband. Harder. Very good. Elbow. Come friend. Ready, husband. Very good. Punch. Very good. What do you want to do? Elbow or punch? Punch. Let's go. Husband. Nice. Now let's go with the fire breaking. Fire breaking team. Come fast. How much you want? 2 or 3 or 4 and 5? I'm asking. 2. Okay, let's go. Wait, hold on. Get the bottle. Okay, because of some facilities, I think they are not allowing for the fire breaking. Okay, we will do one thing. We'll add one more times more without the fire. Okay, without fire, we'll add one more time. Yes? Are you capable enough to break it? Yes or no? Let's go. Ready? Harder. Ready? Keep a touch. Otherwise, we'll start with the kicks, sir. Okay, come here. We'll go with the kicks. Who is doing the kicks? When we get the fire breaking, we'll go with the kicks. Harsha. Hold it. Like this, turn. Ready? Roundhouse kick. Mount scary. Hit it. Yay, beautiful. Drop kick. Hold for the drop kick. Drop kick. Ready. You come here. Not there. Ready? Drop kick. Ajay. Take one more. Hey, beautiful. Okay, now let's show them a little bit of self-defense techniques. Ready for the self-defense techniques? Okay, we will see how A girl can escape from 3 different situations. One attacker down. 2 attacker down. How? Move. Lift your leg up. Hey, beautiful. Nice. Beautiful. Now she has shown how do you escape when he is being held a choke. From someone comes, hugs from behind. So 4 different.
I would like to call Praveen sir for the photo session. Sir.
गुनगुनाता है गगन, गा रहा है ये सारा आलम।
Zubidu param Zubi pampara, zubi param pam. Zubi nache क्यों पागल stupid man.
Zubi pampara, zubi
Where is Shioda?
zubi nache क्यों पागल stupid man.
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे,
दीवानी किरणें गा रही है, ये पंछी गा रहे।
वो बगिया में 2 फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
आई 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 zubi pampara, zubi param pam.
Zubi nache क्यों पागल stupid man. Zubi pampara, zubi param pam. Zubi nache क्यों पागल stupid man. Subi-dubi nache क्यों पागल stupid man Subi-dubi subi-dubi pam-pam Subi-dubi pa-dam-pam Subi-dubi subi-dubi nache क्यों पागल stupid man
Superb children, superb. Keep going.
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado?
Beautiful.
He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है señorita
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो समझी ना señorita चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए भूले हम होता हम है क्या señorita सुनो सुनो señorita कहते हैं हम क्या
Superb children, superb.
Presenting the fairy dance. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी खो चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी खो कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना चंदा चीनी चमके चाटे चौकन्ना चीखे दो चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी खो
ती बोलली बाळा तू कुठे चालला जातो सर ऑलरेडी उशिरा आला यू डोंट इवन लव मी कसले रे कमी सांगू का मम्मीला तू बनतो शाणा माझी सासू तुझी मदर ए माझी होणारी हमसफर आय लाईक युअर ब्युटी आय लाईक युअर फॅशन तुझ्यावर थांबून आहे माझी नजर एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते घे एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते घे Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. They already start killing my eyes. TOG gangster, I love to the fashion, to viral sensation, representing nation. पण नखरे हजार. किती साधी simple तरी दिसते stylish. तुझ्या समोर फिकी baby बिल्ली आयलिश. तुझं diamond तुझ्यासाठी काय पण तुझे नखरे हाय पण I like it. तुझं nose pin, earring, eyelashes, bling bling, highlight of blush आणि lipstick, pink pink. ए माझी girl, ए जाने जिगर, ए चमक छल्लो मी तुझा king 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 king. जादू मंतर हा मंतर तुझा स्वॅग ओजी हाय तुझे कंबर एक नंबर तुला 100 पैकी एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते घे शेकी
Sprinkle, sparkle, and joy around. What a delightful act! Alina, why are you carrying an umbrella? Is it going to rain now?
No, she is just making sure that she doesn't get drenched because some very cute raindrops are about to shower the stage.
Ah, so you are hinting at our next performance.
Absolutely. Our little stars of grade 1 are ready to bring the joy of monsoon with a refreshing rain dance. Get ready for smile, energy and rainy day fun. Let's welcome them with a loud round of applause.
Parents, cheer them.
घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी दुम, ओ सावन राजा, कहाँ से आए तुम? घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी दुम, ओ सावन राजा, कहाँ से आए तुम? छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम.
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है
Kindly cheer them.
दुम दुम छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम.
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम.
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम.
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है.
छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम.
अरे कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है. सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम.
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता
Superb.
ओ यार नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस की होने वाली है, मेरे सबर नहीं होता।
सबर नहीं होता?
ओ नाची ना सबर ना होंदी है।
So, here it is, a tribute dance to actor Govinda by our first graded juniors. Give them a huge round of applause.
और प्यार से लोग मुझे बुलाते हैं कुली नंबर 1।
Parents cheer them. Our Govindas are already ready. Oh my God, look at the stage.
किसी डिस्को में जाए, किसी होटल में खाए, हो किसी डिस्को में जाए, किसी होटल में खाए, कोई देख लेना हमें यहाँ कहीं घूम के आए हम। चलो इश्क लड़ाए, चलो इश्क लड़ाए, चलो इश्क लड़ाए सनम।
अरे वाह! What an energy!
मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था, मैं तो भेलपुरी खा रहा था, मैं तो लड़की घुमा रहा था, और रास्ते से जा रहा था।
Audience, cheer them. Look at the performance. Look at the energy.
तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं, तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं।
ये पुराने सदाबहार गीत
चले चाहे सारा जमाना, चाहे तुझे तेरा दीवाना, अरे लोग दिल वालों से यार जलते हैं।
French and fancy. French, don't worry, Farheen. We may not have Crozo, but we definitely have style. And who better to bring elegance and flair than our grade 2 students? Absolutely. They are all set to dazzle us with a lively salsa performance full of rhythm, confidence and charm. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our grade 2 stars to the stage with a round of applause.
छाँव से फिसल के हम मिले जहाँ पर लम्हा थम गया।
आसमां पिघल के शीशे में ढल के जम गया तो तेरा चेहरा बन गया।
दुनिया भुला के तुमसे मिला हूँ, निकली है दिल से ये दुआ। रंग दे तुम मोहे गेरुआ, राधे की दिल से है दुआ। रंग दे तुम मोहे गेरुआ,
निकली है दिल से ये दुआ।
रंग दे तुम मोहे गेरुआ।
हाय हाय रे हाय ये लड़का, हाय हाय रे हाय। करता नादानियाँ क्यों पूछो तो हाय। हाय हाय रे हाय ये लड़का, हाय हाय रे हाय। करता नादानियाँ क्यों पूछो तो हाय। कभी ये हमसे लड़ता है, कभी झगड़ता है, कोई पास इसके ना आना। ये लड़का है दीवाना, है दीवाना। ये लड़का है दीवाना, है दीवाना।
हाय हाय रे हाय ये लड़की, हाय हाय रे हाय। करती नादानियाँ क्यों पूछो तो हाय। कभी ये हमसे लड़ती है, कभी ये करती है, करो दूर से छेड़खानी। ये लड़की है दीवानी, है दीवानी। ये लड़की है दीवानी, है दीवानी। इश्क में दिल बना है, इश्क में दिल फना है। मिटा दे या बना दे, मैंने तुझको चुना
attitude. Our second graders are ready to light up the stage with a spirited Western dance performance. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way I like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you. Moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating.
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 손뼉을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자. 링가링가링 링가링가링가링 링가링가링가링가링가링 손을 잡고 모두 즐겁게 뛰어봅시다. 둥글게 둥글게 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 손뼉을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자.
태양이가 좋아하는 랜덤 게임, 랜덤 게임, 게임 스타트.
아파트 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 kissy face sent to your phone but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the 아파트 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 아파트
Perfect.
Get ready for energy, rhythm, and unbeatable spirit. Ooh, interesting. Please welcome our grade 2 students by cheering them with wholeheartedly.
I hope all are aware of this song.
मुझको थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा
Let's give a tribute to our own children.
कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मुझको थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के All the Rajini fans, don't miss that chance. All the Rajini fans, don't miss that chance. डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा on the floor आना पड़ेगा लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा on the floor आना पड़ेगा लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा All the Rajini fans, don't miss that chance. All the Rajini fans, don't miss that chance.
दिखा दूं तुझे मेरा वाला डांस, ये मेरा वाला डांस, तो नाचो। ये मेरा वाला डांस, तो नाचो। ये मेरा वाला डांस।
Superb, children.
Tales filled our childhood with magic and wonder. And now, get ready to see those dreamy tales come alive.
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी,
That's so adorable.
टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ। इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ।
दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे उंगली चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए, आधी आधी बात ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीन। थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा, अपना ये आशियाँ।
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा। चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा। चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा।
A perfect mix.
Farheen, shall we take everyone down the memory lane?
Absolutely. Let's remind them of those golden school days. A journey full of fun, friendship, mischief, laughter, and of course, memories. And our grade 3 boys are here to do that exactly. Get ready to relive the magic of school life. Let's give them a big cheer as they perform.
प्रेशर कुकर जैसे सर की बच जाए न सीटी, तब तक मार डंडा मार।
ओ पटक पटक के सर गिरा दे नॉलेज की दीवार। रट्टा मार, रट्टा मार।
चढ़ जाए जो बुखार कॉफी से तू उतर,
पापा प्लीज मुझे हॉस्टल में नहीं जाना है, मैं ठीक से पढ़ाई करूंगी पापा प्लीज।
बस अब हॉस्टल में रहेगी तो ही सुधरेगी।
नहीं पापा मुझे आपके साथ रहना है, प्लीज मुझे छोड़ के मत जाओ।
ए look she's crying।
हाँ यार शी इज क्राइंग।
चलो चलो देखते हैं।
हाँ यार चलो चलो।
जब लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, होठों को करके गोल, होठों को करके गोल, सीटी बजा के बोल। लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, होठों को करके गोल, होठों को करके गोल, सीटी बजा के बोल। मुर्गी का जाने अंडे का क्या होगा, और लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा। कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा। होठ घुमाओ सीढ़ी बजा के बोल। जाने नहीं देंगे तुझे, जाने तुझे देंगे नहीं।
मुझे सुसु आई है, मुझे जाने दो।
मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा, मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा, मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा।
Good morning, students. Get ready for school.
Full of energy and smile.
Now let's travel back in time. Our grade 3 girls are set to take us on a retro era full of charm, style and grace. Let's welcome them on stage by giving a huge round of applause.
कहती है मुझको
Wow, what a delightful later life. Our grade 3 girls truly brought old elegance and joy to the stage. Parents, no talking aloud, only laughter. Get ready everyone, because we are about to enter the fun, silent and super entertaining world of Charlie Chaplin, as our grade 3 students are presenting a dance filled with smiles and classic comedy. Let's welcome them with laughter and applause.
Dominica, Maga Naga Naga, Chica Pica Rica, Ina Mina Rica Dica De, Dai Dominica, Maga Naga Maga Naga, Chica Pica Rola Rica, Ram Pam Poch, Ram Pam Poch. दिल बेचूं है कोई लेने वाला, ऐसे वैसे को नहीं देने वाला। दिल बेचूं है कोई लेने वाला, ऐसे वैसे को नहीं देने वाला। सूरत या हंसी हो, उम्र या जवा हो, कोई भी उसे देखे तो बस ये गुमा हो। यही है, यही है, यही तो है वो। Let's go.
Filled with laughter and memories. Farheen, do you like sports?
Of course. Sports bring energy, discipline and a winning spirit.
Then get ready, audience.
Presenting a power-packed sports-themed dance by our grade 4 students. Let's cheer for their sporty spirit.
Australia. कंपटीशन नहीं खेल सकती, लेकिन अंदर से मन टूटा हुआ है,
थोड़ा ईगो पे आ गया था।
और इंडिया आज के बाद ना कभी फाइनल में आएगा ना कभी वर्ल्ड कप जीतेगा।
से आज तक एक कसक अभी बाकी है। दिल के उस कोने में एक धड़क अभी बाकी है। अपने कदमों पर तो खड़ा हो गया, पर इंडिया के लिए फिर से खड़ा होना अभी बाकी है।
Wow, that was full of strength and enthusiasm. Our great fort. I mean, after such sporty energy, I feel like celebrating now.
Then why wait? Let's convert the stage into a party zone.
Please welcome our grade 4 students with their party theme dance. Get ready to groove.
Parents, give them a huge round of applause.
भाई तेरा फुल सेट है, मोशन भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा। देखो तो हसीना तो आना भी करीना, तो तुमको का फीवर है चढ़ने लगा। थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके, थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके, थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके, थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके, सारे Let's not joke.
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा, तू भी गिद्दा पाले, चलेगा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले।
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे, इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं, इस मांग में भर दूं तारे।
टू मच है तुमने लगाए येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई ये दिल छन छन बोले हमने सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल बेजानी कर ले अल्लाह बूढ़िया
Performance. Our fourth graders just filled the stage with pure joy and party vibes. And now, to remind us the value of water, our grade 4 students are here with a powerful message: save water. Water is life. So, please everyone welcome them with a huge round of applause.
ये तो हम जानते ही हैं कि जल ही जीवन है। ये बात उस वक्त की है जब इस धरती पर जल की कोई कमी नहीं थी। चारों ओर पानी की नदियां बहती थी और पूरी इंसानियत खुशी से अपना जीवन बिता रही थी।
उम्मीद को आग लगा जरा, सहरा की प्यास बुझा जरा, घन इतना बरस के गलने लगूं मैं, पानी की उम्र तरने लगूं। बहने दे मुझे, बहने दे मुझे, बहने दे मुझे, बहने दे, ओ बहने दे मुझे, बहने दे मुझे, बहने दे मुझे, बहने दे, बहने दे घन घोर घटा, बहने दे पानी की तरह, सागर में जा गिरना है, बहने दे नदियां की तरह।
कुछ सालों के बाद वही हुआ जिसका डर था। अचानक पूरी धरती से पानी गायब हो गया और पूरी इंसानियत बारिश की एक एक बूंद के लिए तड़पने लगी।
धमक गूंजे बदरा के ढंके, चमक चमक देखो बिजुलियां चमके, मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन धड़काए बदरवा। काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ, बिजली की तलवार नहीं बूंदों के बाण चलाओ। मेघा छाए बरखा लाए, गिर गिर आए, गिर के आए, कहीं मन मचल मचल, नहीं चल संभल संभल। दिन बदल तू घर से निकल, बरसने वाला दुविधा के दिन बीत गए भैया मल्हार सुनाओ। घिर घिर आए बदरा, धमक धमक तुझे बदरा के डंके, चमक चमक देखो बिजुलियां चमके, मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन धड़काए बदरवा।
Message: water is life. Parents, once more a huge round of applause. Now the stage is about to shine brightly with a spectacular light themed dance by our talented grade 7 girls. Give them a huge round of applause.
An announcement, please.
जिया चले जा चले नैनु तले धुआं चले
പുഞ്ചിരി തഞ്ചിക്കൊഞ്ചിക്കോ മുന്തിരി മുത്തൊളി ചിന്തിക്കോ മഞ്ചണി വർണ്ണ ചുന്ദരി വാവേ താങ്കിണ്ണക്ക തകതിമിയാടും തങ്കനിലാവേ പുഞ്ചിരി തഞ്ചിക്കൊഞ്ചിക്കോ മുന്തിരി മുത്തൊളി ചിന്തിക്കോ മഞ്ചണി വർണ്ണ ചുന്ദരി വാവേ താങ്കിണ്ണക്ക തകതിമിയാടും തങ്കനിലാവേ
Their performance truly lit up our stage with beauty and grace. Everyone, ready for some Bollywood moves?
So now our grade 5 stars are about to take us on a filmy roller coaster. Please put your hands together for our grade 5.
Let's go, grade 5. Show us the swag.
எங்க மேட சிமக்கி கம்மல் எங்க பெண் காட்டோண்டு போயே எங்க பெண் குப்பி எங்கம்மா குடிச்சு திருத்தே எங்க மேட சிமக்கி கம்மல் எங்க பெண் காட்டோண்டு போயே எங்க பெண் കുപ്പി എന്തമ്മ കുടിച്ചു തീർത്തേ ഇവിടൊരു ചാകരയും വേലകളിയും ഒത്തു വന്നപ്പോൾ ചിലരുടെ തോർത്തു കീറിപ്പോയ കാര്യം ഓർത്തു പോകവേ അലകടൽ കാറ്റിനു നീ കാതുകുത്താൻ പാടുവിടേണ്ട സഹചര സേനാപതി വീര മടുകാമലോലുവാ എന്തമ്മയുടെ ചിമക്കി കമൽ എന്നപ്പൻ കട്ടോണ്ട് പോയേ എന്തപ്പന്റെ ബ്രാൻഡി കുപ്പി എന്തമ്മ കുടിച്ചു തീർത്തേ എന്തമ്മയുടെ ചിമക്കി കമൽ എന്നപ്പൻ കട്ടോണ്ട് പോയേ എന്തപ്പന്റെ ബ്രാൻഡി കുപ്പി എന്നമ്മ കുടിച്ചു തീർത്തേ
Not salsa, not flamenco, my brother. Do you know?
నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నాటు 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 వీర నాటు 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 పూర నాటు 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 పచ్చి మిరపలాగా పిచ్చ నాటు 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 పిచ్చు కత్తిలాగా వెర్రి నాటు
To Bollywood cassette, thank you for the masala.